narito po ulit si Halo Vlog TV po sa mga sumusubaybay dyan sa aking channel. Kumusta pa kayo dyan? At ngayon po guys, narito po tayo sa malaking villa ang ginagawa po namin. So silipin po natin guys ang mga trabaho po nila. Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Itong Halo Vlog,
Okay.
napakabigat ko to guys.
Okay man. Okay man.
Isang Halo Vlog,
Malum.
20 kg po ang bigat po nito.
Okay.
Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Ang ito po, ito po yung ginagamit nila
Okay.
sa Halo Vlogs. Nakita mo dito. Every 3 layer, ito po, nilalagay po nila ito dito. Ganun po. Itong tinatawag po nila to ay wall pass.
Okay.
Ito po. Ito po ang ginagamit nila po sa way.
Okay man.
So, yan po guys.
Okay.
So, yan po mga labor po. Sa trabaho ngayon.
Okay man.
Yan. So, maraming salamat po. Guys, bless. Yan po guys, pinakita ko sa inyo. Actually, before kami mag-start ng Halo Vlog, ay may sasabihin ko lang sa inyo guys. Yan po, yung first layer ng Halo Vlog ay ang ginagamit po namin dyan ay solid block. So, yan po yan. Kita rin mo. Okay. Ang pag po kasi yan guys, yung solid block para magkaroon po siyang stability ng ma-handle niya yung bigat ng Halo Vlog dito. Kaya po ang first layer na ginagamit po namin ay puro po yan solid block ng gamit po namin. So yan po guys. So yan po guys, maraming salamat po sa mga sumusubaybay sa aking channel. At wala po tayong magagawa dito sa site, pagpupo lang. So maigi na lang po na mag-vlog na lang tayo para meron po tayong content. So hanggang sa muli, si Halo Vlog TV. Maraming salamat po.
Like a Hellcat.